Gladiators, it is September 1st, Tuesday. Here is your video. So I go down first grading period, week 2. We get a glance, here it is. Go to Tuesday. I can state the parts of the cell theory and apply what I have learned completing a CER, cell theory foldable, and an interactive notebook cell theory. Okay, so I go to Tuesday. Things you're going to need for today, you're going to need your interactive notebook that you have at home. It was on the supply list at the beginning of school, so you need this or just a piece of paper, whichever one you have. And then you're obviously going to need your device. So I click on ABCs of cell theory. Make sure you make a copy of your document, so you should have my document right here. Mine looks different because I'm the administrator. So I click my document. Okay, that way it makes your copy all the way across. If it doesn't show up, make sure you click here so that it pulls up your document. So I click on it. It's called Cell Theory Made Easy. Okay, so you go to the first slide. First, okay, on your piece of paper, you need to draw this picture. So the title is ABCs of Cell Theory. And then you list these letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. I would skip a line between each one, 2 lines if you prefer, but it's up to you. But definitely skip 1 line for sure, because you're going to be writing stuff that come off of this, and I want to make sure that you have enough room. Okay, so pause this video if you need to take a minute to do this. And then once you're done, you can hit play again. Okay, so here are the ABCs of cell theory. You see them all highlighted with different colors to start off the sentences. So A, all living things are made up of cells. B, the cell is a basic unit of structure and function in all living things. C and D, all cells come from other living cells by division. E and F, all energy flow of life occurs within cells. So we're talking like sunlight to plants, so because it gives them food and provides energy. G, cells contain genetic information or DNA that is passed from one cell to another. So you'll write each one of these next to the corresponding letter that you just wrote down on that piece of paper or in your interactive notebook. Pause right here so that you can take time to write these. When you're ready again, hit play. So for the next slides, it says for the next slides, drag and drop the correct word or phrase into the blanks based on what part of the cell theory it is. Okay. So here are your words or phrases or your word bank. This is all blank are made up of cells. So you're going to use the ABCs of cell theory foldable that you just created in your notebook or on that sheet of paper, and you're going to take the word and you're simply going to click and drag it if that's the one that you thought went there, okay, or energy flow or whichever one you think, and you place them into the blanks provided. And so you'll do that for the next couple slides. So, okay, all right. Okay, so slides 6, 7, and 8, and 9. Pause this video, and when you're ready, press play to continue. For the next 3 slides, fill in the drag and drop and correct word and phrase into the blanks based on what you read during the notes. So this information you need to read, and then at the bottom you get to the picture, which picture is a prokaryotic cell and which is a eukaryotic cell. So based on what you read here, you're going to click and drag the word and simply place it on top of the picture or below or above each picture. Pause this video. When you're ready to continue, hit play. So for this one, you're going to read the images above, or read the text above, and then you will click and drag the 2 words on the side, on the left side, one and many, and you'll place them into the spaces provided based on what you read above. Hit pause so you can complete the task, and then play when you're ready to continue. The last thing that you'll be doing today, you will complete this page in your interactive notebook. So on the back side of the page you had, or on the bottom half, or even in your interactive notebook on the next page. Title is Major Cell Functions. You're going to have 5 bullet points. I would skip a couple lines between each one. When you're finished drawing that, you are going to write down each major cell function in order and in its entirety. Okay, when you are finished with that, your task for today is complete. Thank you, and I'll see you on Wednesday.